Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
That was truly affable and lovely to be around, because you would be engaged in as much debate as you would be engaged in laughter.
Abomndeni wobe yinxusa kwelase France unathi Mthetho ngasekho emhlabeni abeneme ngendlela okusingathwe ngayo indaba zokwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni. Umthetho awutholakala esethule ehotela eParis eFrance izolo.
The strategy has always been, you must try to charge Malema with everything. One day, maybe we'll find a racist judge who will find him guilty.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi uzodlulela enkantolo yomthethosisekelo emva kokulahlwa yicala lokuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni.
He is not well. We, as the commission, have decided not to sit today.
Isicao sekhomishana kaMadlanga sesihlehliselwe umhla ziyi-13 kuMfumfu kuwo lo nyaka. Umbukelisi kubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zakusihlwa enizethulelwa uNoxolo Mamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane elimhlophe qa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje sikuphathile ziphi. Alokhu engene njalo amazwe enduduzo emndenini wobekade yinxuselela kuleli ezweni laseFrance unathi Mthethwa nosechazwe njengomuntu obeyithobile eyinikele emsebenzini wakhe. Umthethwa utholakale eshonile ngolwesibili kwelinye lamahhotela eFrance ngendlela engaqondakali nokuyisigameko esingaphansi kophenyo oluqhubekayo eFrance.
Okhulumela ihhovisi likaMengameli uVincent Magwenya uthi baqhemeke ingozi engeqhubantwala echaza ukushona kwaMthethwa njengesigameko esibazumile njengekhabhinethi. uMagwenya uthi uMthethwa waqoka uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa eminyakeni emibili edlule njengenxusa lakuleli ebelijutshwe ukuqinisa ubudlelwano neFrance.
President Ramaphosa offers his deep condolences to Ambassador Mthethwa's wife, Ms. Philisiwe Buthelezi, and the ambassador's extended family. The President extends his sympathies to the Ministry and Department of International Relations and Cooperation, and in particular officials in our embassy in Paris.
Okhulumela iANC kuzwelonke uMahlengi Bhengu Motsiri encoma amagalelo kaMthethwa eqenjini uqhakambise kakhulu iqhaza ebenalo enhlanganweni.
But prior to that, we remember him for many other things: a youth leader, and part of the death-defying generation in the youth movement, part of the generation of Peter Mugaba, Rabu Mlegane, and many others that reared and taught a lot of young people about self-sacrifice and fighting to secure the democratic gains that we South Africans now enjoy.
He was somebody that was truly affable and lovely to be around, because you would be engaged in as much debate as you would be engaged in laughter.
Imininingwane ngokubuyiswa kwesidumbu nokungcwatshwa kukaMthethwa kuzomenyezelwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Njalo abomndeni wakhe unathi Mthethwa nobe yinxusa kwelaseFrance ongasekho emhlabeni abeneme ngendlela okusingathwe ngayo indaba zokwedlula kwakhe emhlabeni. Umthethwa utholakale eshonile ngaphandle kwehotela eParis eFrance izolo.
Ukwedlula emhlabeni kukaNathi Mthethwa kushiye umndeni ushaqekile futhi unemibuzo engenazimpendulo. Umndeni wakaMthethwa ukhala ngokuthi asikho istatimende esisemthethweni esishicilelwe yiqembu lakhe.
Ngokwazi kwethu uNathi Mthethwa usukela eMosadladla wenyukela phezulu. Okufanele konke obekwenzeka lapho bekufanele bakwedlisele ezansi kubona bese beze bezokwazisa umndeni kunokuthi konke sikuthole kuma media.
Umthethwa uchazwe njengomuntu obewazi umsebenzi wobuholi futhi ukwazile ukubamba iqhaza ekuthuthukiseni umphakathi. Waqala ngeminyaka yama-80s ukuzihlanganisa nezombusazwe kanti namalungu omphakathi aphawule ngegalelo likaMthethwa.
Sibhlungu kakhulu ngokushiwa uNathi Mthethwa la endaweni bekundodana wethu ukhulele lapha endaweni elusa khona lapha inkomo nabafana bendawo ebedlala ibhola khona lapha nabafana bendawo. Although ke thina ke besingaphambili kakhulu kwakhe, kodwa nje inhlonipho abenayo beyimangalisa uNathi.
I-ANC esifundeni Musadladla ithi nakuba sekube nokubambezeleka exhumaneni nomndeni kaMthethwa kodwa kusayishaqile ukuzwanga lolu daba ezinkundleni zokuxhumana.
They've raised legitimate concerns to us that they had through the media some of the things, notwithstanding the engagements with the in-laws. We have said in good authority we are here deployed by the SGO, the PSO, as a region. We remember that Comrade Nathi Mthethwa has his membership here in Ward 8.
Kulindeleke ukuthi ubuholi be-ANC KwaZulu-Natal buhambele ekhaya kaMthethwa kusasa.
Isigcawu sekhomishana kaMadlanga sesihlehliselwe umhlazi 13 kuMfumfu kulo nyaka. Esitatimendeni lesisigcawu sidalule ukuthi ukuhlala kwaso kuhlehlisiwe ngoba inhloko yophiko lwezobunhloli uLieutenant General uDumsani Khumalo uxinekile kanti futhi nomunye wokhomishana uAdvocate Sesibaloyi uzobe engekho ngesonto elizayo. Ujenene uKhumalo othathwa njengofakazi oqavile kulesi sigcawu sikaMadlanga uxinwe ukugula namhlanje ekseni ngemva kokufika eBridget Mabandla Justice College ePitoli la okuhlezi khona lesi sigcawu. Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke ujenene uFani Masemula uqinisekisile ukuthi uKhumalo uthola usizo lokwelashwa olufanele futhi usesimweni esikahle. Kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa uKatiso KT Mulife osolwa ngokubulala uDJ Sambodi anikele enkantolo ephakeme eseGoli ngenhloso yokwedlulisa isinqumo senkantolo yemantshi ese-Alexandra sokumnqabela ibhayili. Inkantolo yasichitha isicelo sakhe sebhayili ngoNcwaba ngelithi uhlulekile ukuveza ubufakazi obuqandi ikhanda ukuze adedelwe ngebhayili.
uKatiso Mulife ubhekene noxhaxho lwamacala okubalwa kuwo elokubulala elokutholakala nezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni kanye lokucija itulo lokubulala. Ngesikhathi efaka isicelo sebhayili ngoNcwaba umbuso watshela inkantolo yasemantshi ese-Alexandra ukuthi ungonqondonqondo ekubulaweni ka-Opa Sefuka owabeziwa ngelika DJ Sambodi. Yize kunjalo kepha lo somabhizinisi umile kwelokuthi umsulwa.
There are a number of very concerning aspects, not only linking the applicant to the crimes, but also regarding his circle of influence and capabilities. His application for bail is accordingly refused.
Esikhathini esingaphezudlwana nje kwenyanga ngemuva kwesinqumo, uMulife usenqome ukunikela inkantolo ephakeme eseGoli ngenhloso yokudlulisa leli cala.
We are ready as the NPA to oppose such an application because we believe that this court in its ruling there was no error that the court made in terms of the law, and that this judgment actually seeks to promote the rule of law.
Umbuso watshela inkantolo ukuthi uMulife usolwa ngokubandakanyeka nasekushushumbiseni izidakamizwa kanti ugcinwe esitokisini kusukela ekuboshweni kwakhe ngoNtulikazi.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi uzodlulela enkantolo yomthethosisekelo emva kokulahlwa yicala lokuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni. Inkantolo yemantshi yaseMonte Eastern Cape igcine isikhiphile namhlanje isinqumo sayo ecaleni ebeselidonse isikhathi eside.
Xeshikweni wisa isigwebo umantyi uTwanet Olivier uthi umbuso uze namangqina athembekileyo kweli tyala. Ukwaxeke ubungqina bukaMalema esithi walile ukuphendula imibuzo ebalulekileyo xeshikweni ekhwele emkhumbini.
Mr. Malema had evaded many questions that had warranted a reply. It became evident that the replies were entertaining, but however, the pertinent questions asked remained unanswered.
Nangona kunjalo, lo kaMalema umile ngelithi elityala linefuthe lobuhlanga nopolitiko.
And after sentencing, we will immediately put an appeal so that we can go to the higher court because we think a judgment is faulty. The strategy has always been, you must try to charge Malema with everything. One day, maybe we'll find a racist judge who will find him guilty whether he's guilty or not.
Kanti ombuso kunye ne-AfriForum basamkele isigqibo senkundla.
Well, we're very grateful. We think this ruling was essential to reinstate faith from the public side in the South African justice system. We think people have started to lose faith in the justice system.
Nethemba kuba izawuhamba indlela ende leli tyala ubonisa nabantu phaphandla phaya ukuba ukusebenzisa impu ngendlela engeyiyo ebeka ubomi babanye abantu obungozini yinto ethi ichutshiselwe futhi igwebise.
Eli tyala liza kubuyela kule nkundla ngomhla we-23 kunyanga kaJanuwari ngonyaka ozayo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Mbukelisa siqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
The Municipal Public Accounts Committee of the municipality must be open to the public so that the public could sit there and listen to the things that they investigate and look at.
I-ANC eKapa iphakamise ukuthi ikomiti lomasipala livuleleke nasemphakathini njengoba uphiko lwamaphoyisa oluphenya ngamacala aphathelene nezemali seliqalise ngemikhankaso yokuthungathwa kwabathinteka ekuhwatshanisweni kweyinkontileka emkhandlwini eKapa. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukele indabeni zesiZulu eindabeni eziphambili besibike ukuthi alokhu engene njalo amazwe Nduduzo emndenini obekade yinxusa lelakuleli ezweni laseFrance uNathi Mthethwa nosechazwe njengomuntu obeyithobile eyinikele emsebenzini wakhe. Umthethwa utholakale eshonile ngolwesibili kwelinye lamahhotela eFrance ngendlela engaqondakali nokuyisigameko esingaphansi kophenyo oluqhubekayo eFrance. Mbukela sikhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Ufakazi wesithathu ecaleni lokwebiwa kweyigidi zemali ngamadola asemelika eplazini likaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala udalule enkantolo ukuthi wayesatshiswa nokwenza ukuthi ke anikeze ubufakazi obungelona iqiniso emaphoyiseni. Ubufakazi bakhe buyashayisana nalobo abhale esitatimendeni esisenkantolo.
Ufakazi wesithathu ungena ebhokisini lofakazi namhlanje inkantolo imthatha njengofakazi ungenaqiniso. Umbuso uphikisa ukuthi washo ngomlomo isitatimende manje siphikisana nesibhalwe phansi. Uthule ubufakazi ke wathi wakhokhelwa izinkulungwane eziyikhombisa zamarandi ngokuhambisa umsolwa kodwa isitatimende esibhalwe phansi wathi wakhokhela u30,000 wamadola asemelika. Uphinde ke aziphikisa ukuthi umsolwa wokuqala uEmmanuel David wayengekho kubantu ayebahambisa eBinoni ukuyothenga imoto.
Sergeant Osi will be called to testify, and he will testify to the effect that through cell phone mapping, action number 1 and the 2 other people he was in the company proceeded simultaneously at the same time to Fengelpa area.
Umbuso awunelisekile ngokuthi ufakazi adalule amanani angafani athi wakhokhelwa wona.
And the one that was sitting behind in your car gave you 3 packs of US dollars. Which were 10,000 each pack.
The money that I was given was an amount of 7,000.
Uthe wasabiswa kezigamekweni eziningi ezahlukene ngamaphoyisa.
I'm the one who made a statement, but when I made the statement, I was scared or afraid because they came different people who indicated that they are looking or they want accused number 1.
Ngasekuqaleni kwaleli cala ke inkantolo yayalela ukuthi ofakazi bangavezwa ngabezindaba.
I-ANC kumkhandlu dolobha eKapa iphakamise ukuthi ikomiti lomasipala livuleleke nasemphakathini. Lokhu kuvele njengoba uphiko lwamaphoyisa oluphenya ngamacala aphathelene nezemali seliqalise ngemikhankaso eminingi yokuthungatha abantu abathinteka ekuhwatshanisweni kweyinkontileka emkhandlwini eKapa.
Amaphoyisa athi asaqoqa ubufakazi obuqoshwe ngobuchwepheshe besimanje kulandela ukuthi ethola umbiko ngezinkontileka zemali engu-1.6 billion wamarandi ukuze kuqinisekiswe izinsolo zokukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo. Zingama-26 izindawo kugaselwe kuzo kubalwa izakhiwo zomasipala, amabhizinisi kanye nemizi.
The targeted addresses include municipal offices, private homes of officials, and business premises linked to service providers. The operation, which stems from whistleblower information and preliminary investigations, is aimed at securing crucial evidence to establish the scope of alleged irregularities.
Ngasekuqaleni konyaka kwagaselwa amahhovisi amalungu amabili ekomiti lezimeya kodwa inkantolo ephakeme Western Cape yathi lesi senzo sasingekho emthethweni.
In line with the city's zero-tolerance approach to fraud and corruption, City Forensic Services took swift action to assess and report the matter to SAPS, who then undertook a search and seizure operation. Operations took place at various addresses, including business premises, municipal buildings and private residences.
I-ANC emkhandlwini ithe ukugasela kophenyo ukukhombisa ukuthi kunokuthile lo masipala okufihlayo.
People of Cape Town must know that this municipality is a corrupt municipality. You see, Vanessa, the other thing that we are saying as an ANC is that the Municipal Public Accounts Committee of the municipality must be open to the public.
Umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uthi abazali kanye nabafundi abangabi nexhala uzama ngayo yonke indlela ukulungisa inkingo nazo nalabo abahlinzeka ngokudla ezikoleni. Umnyango umemezele ukuthi ukweleta lezi inkampani ezihlinzeka izikole ngokudla ezikoleni. Abazali banengebheke yokuthi lokho sekungagcina phela ekutheni kuvalwe ukuhlinzekwa kwezingane ngokudla zigcine ibulawa indlala.
Lona omunye wabazali onezingane ezifunda ezikoleni zombuso uthi le ndaba yokuthi umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni ukweleta inkampani ezihlinzeka ngokudla yenza ubungehla ubuthongo ngoba phela bona badla imbuya nguthi.
Siphathekanga kahle kakhulu ngoba kuzokwenza ukuthi abantwana bagcine belwa ezikoleni. Sinenkinga vele ukuthi abantwana bayalwa manje kuwesike masebelambile njengoba besho bethi indlala ibanga ulaka kuzotholakala sebelimazana bazokulawuleka.
Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni eGauteng uSteve Mabona uthi bayazi ukuthi banesikwelete esibahlalele kodwa bewumnyango baphezukwayo lenkanakana bazama ukuyisombulula.
Inkinga siyayicazulula siwumnyango sisebenzisana nabo laba esisebenza nabo abanikeza abantwana ukudla ezikolweni. Yebo siyazi ukuthi siyabakweleta. Sikhulumile nabo sabatshela ukuthi sizobabhadala.
Umabona uthi abazali behlisa umoya ingane zabo ngeke ibhuqabhuqwe indlala ezikoleni. Ukudla okukhona njengamanje kwenele kuzobaqhuba njengoba kulungiswa le ndaba.
Kodwa abazali nje siyathi ngoba uma baletha ukudla la ezikolweni abaletha ukudla mhlambe kweviki baletha ukudla kwenyanga mhlambe nemaviki amabili ngathi nje ukudla okulethwa iviki neviki yiloku mhlambe okungamosheka iloko kuphela kodwa lokho kunye kukhona ukudla abazali nje abanethezeke sizosebenzisana nabo laba ukuthi abantwana bangatholi bangadlanga.
Inhlangano ebhekele izigungu ezilawula izikole ithi lokho kuzoba nomthelelo ongemuhle einganeni ngoba izingane ngeke ikwazi ukulalela uthisha uma kufundiswa ngoba izoba ibulawa indlala. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwadlula. Indabeni zeSABC ngibika ngisegoli.
Icala elibhekene nowesifazane oneminyaka engama-22 osolwa ngokubulala wesilisa abehlekisana naye uShichabo Ntsanwisi oneminyaka engama-31 kusolakala ukuthi wagwazwa washona umsolwa emva kwengxabano ngesonto eledlule.
Lo msolo oneminyaka engama-22 ubudala ongadalulwanga igama lakhe ngenxa yomnyalelo wenkantolo ubevele kwesibili namhlanje ezofaka isicelo sebheyili. Umndeni kaMufi usadidekile kungani ukuthi kugcine kube khona oshonayo kulobudlelwane balesithandani.
Obviously and logically we are quite saddened by how we lost our brother, and we are trying by all means to keep up, but it's so sad and we are so heartbroken as a family.
Kuba ukuthi umndeni womsolwa ukwazama ukuthintana nomndeni kaMufi emva kwalesigameko.
From what I've heard during the course of the week, whilst we're still mourning as a family, I think there were some delegates which were sent to the family, but they received a cold shoulder. So to date, there's not been any positive communication between the two families.
Icala lihlahla lwesihlanu lapho kuzolalelwa khona isicelo sebheyili.
Bukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Ngenibengele babukele emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibhethime kanjani soqaphela nje mbukeli zikhona ke leza imvula ke zingatheni ilindelekile nje kakhulukazi ngempela masibheke nje khona ke empumalanga yeKapa kana kanjalo entshonalanga yeKapa. kanti-ke futhi nakusasa ngaphinde futhi lindeleke nje lezi imvula thanda ukuba ziqiniseke nje khona masibheke nje khona-ke empumalanga yeKapa kuyana kanjalo entshonalanga yeKapa ngasho nje ukuthi khona-ke leya nkungu-ke ekhasa phansi ethanda nje iqiniseke kakhulukazi uma ubheke nje khona-ke esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni empumalanga. Kanti-ke isixwayiso sethu-ke sakusihle siphuma laphana kwa-South African Weather Service simi kanje uzoqaphela kanje mbukeli khona-ke lowa moya kuvunguza ngamandla uthanda nje uqiniseke khona-ke enkabeni yezwe. Kanti-ke sinye isixwayiso sethu-ke sakusasa simi kanje uzoqaphela kanje mbukeli khona-ke futhi lowa moya-ke uvunguza ngamandla uthanda uqinise nje ikakhulukazi ngempela khona-ke kweli kaMthane ngasho ukuthi khona-ke nalowa moya-ke olindelekile ungadala wona kumlili kakhulukazi masibheke nje khona-ke kwinyakatho yeKapa. Kanti-ke amazinga okushisa aphansi kusihle kakhulukazi mabheke nje khona-ke lapha eKapa lodumo ngingasho nje ukuthi liyabanda ngo-12 bande njalo-ke nakhona ePhington singawulindela nje u14 mabheke nje eGoli kwaSoweto kaNdonga ziyaduma limi nje ku13 libande njalo nakhona-ke eMelo singawulindela nje u12 kanti-ke masibheke nje eMnambithi liqhaqhelisa amazinga ngo10 bande njalo nakhona-ke masibheke nje lapha eMgungundlovu limi nje ku11 kanti ngasho nje ukuthi ithanda ukuthi nje liphawuleke eThekwini ngo17 kanti lesabanda-ke eGqeberha ngo14. Kanti kusasa lisabande eKapa lodumo limi nje ku17 ePhington singawulindela nje ku27 lashisa-ke eGoli ngo27 shisa njalo-ke nakhona-ke eMusina singawulindela nje u31 masibheke nje khona-ke eMelo limi nje ku25 masibheke nje eMnambithi singasho nje ukuthi u24 kanti-ke Richards Bay limi nje ku22 masibheke nje khona-ke eThekwini eKlemonti kwaMashu eMlazi limi nje ku21 masibheke nje khona-ke eGqeberha singawulindela nje u17. Isibeka lapho-ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina-ke ngentombi kaMadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli usale kahle.